In this video, we're going to add document sequences for auto-numbering IDs in Sage Intacct. Sage Intacct allows you to use document sequencing to generate new IDs automatically for a number of transactions and records, such as when you add a new customer, a supplier, an AR, AP invoices, just to name a few. There are two types of document sequencing that you can add in Sage Intacct for different purposes. You can add a numeric sequence, which is mostly used when adding customers, suppliers, or transactions, like your purchasing, sales transactions, and adjustments. And you can create alpha sequences to use in the cash management, like your bank and credit card reconciliations, and for customer and supplier reconciliations in the accounts payable and accounts receivable. Now we're going to add a document sequence. To add the document sequence, navigate to Applications, Company, Setup. Under Setting, go to Document Sequencing. This is the list of all the document sequences that we have in the system. At different sequences for accounts payable adjustments, adjustment decrease, attachments, contracts, and so forth. Click on Add. And in the document sequence information, add the sequence ID. The sequence ID is example 1. And sequence name auto-populates. Okay, the sequence status is on active. If the sequence is no longer in use, you can inactivate the sequence. Sequence type, we have two, which is the numeric and alpha. We're going to create the numeric and add the numeric sequence length, which is 5. For the fiscal year rollover, this feature is only available at the moment for specific modules like your contracts and fixed asset modules. For the other modules, currently the feature is not available. Add a fixed prefix, going to say EX, separator, and the primary sequence is the start of the sequence. We're going to add 1. Should you want your document sequence to have suffix, then you can add a separator and a suffix. In this example, I'm just going to add a prefix. And in the sequence without fiscal year rollout section, we will have a table which is stating that this document sequence is for all fiscal year and the next unused sequence. This is basically showing the next unused sequence and the sequence maximum. Once you've added your document sequence, assign it to the transaction that you want to use it in. And that's how you would add document sequence in Sage Intacct.